there, I'm Kim Kesty, and I'm super excited to be back here this month to share the stamp of the month for March. Let's dive right in and take a look. This sentiment set is so fun and so sweet. I cannot wait to share all the samples with you. Now, I know I say it every month, but this stamp really is going to be a keeper. This is going to be such a great one for your collection. Let me just flip it over because, as you can see, it is fully indexed. And our stamps do come packaged with this extra little clear sheet that, of course, you can just peel right off. You can tell this is a brand new one. And then the cling foam will go ahead and cling right to this lovely backer card. I don't think I always share that, but this is a really sturdy backer card and something that you definitely can store your stamp with for all time. Now, our stamps, of course, as you saw a minute ago, are fully indexed, and they are red rubber. They are made in the US. And once I peel them apart, you can see the indexing on each and every little piece. We'll flip back over, and this set has 36 stamps, you guys. 36 different stamps. I love it so much. I think you can sort of get the main idea just by checking it out, but we've got 6 larger words that go right here, and then all the small sentiments that go are exactly what the name implies. They can stack and mix and match with those 6 main words, and you're going to have so much fun. Let's just take a look at this first card. It's really just our basic. We've stamped it in black licorice. We've done an interesting background that I'll share with you in just a second. But really, it's just about, for this card, we pieced each of the little sentiment phrases and just stacked them all up on our card front, and bam, you are done. Now, that background is made with one of our stencils. This is called the Cane Weave stencil. And all we did is go ahead and put it on our cardstock and just sponge some ink with one of our fusion sponges. And just gives you that really pretty background. So simple, so easy, but it's really the sentiments that make this card sing. Let me flip to a few more and you can kind of see it in action. Now, here's a really fun love card. And of course, we've got the main sentiment, the love, and then love seeing you at the bottom. And of course, like it's shown on the front, this set right here that you see with love doesn't have the seeing you sentiment married with the love, you know, for our packaging, but obviously all of these can mix and match together. So seeing you is over here with miss, like miss seeing you, or totally miss you, totally miss your face, all the combinations. But again, mix and match with any of the phrases. So fun. And you guys check out the background on this one. Yep, we've used all these fun little strips. You've got such a great variety here on your stamp set that you can have a blast creating your own backgrounds. Love, love, love that. Now here we flip to a thanks one. We've also done a really fun background with some inking and some stamping, and this time we've got thanks a million. And of course paired it with a few of our other dies from Fun Stamper's Journey. Love, love that. Let's flip to another hello. Now this time we've used 2 of the larger sentiments together, and I absolutely love how that looks too. Hello, love. Another love one. Let's just round out our love cards here real quick. So again, stacking the with all my and your love. And you've got such a sweet sentiment. And one more, sent with love. So just the classic saying, anytime you can send a card to someone for a little bit of encouragement, just to share that you're thinking with them. Absolutely love that. Okay, now here's one that we actually have stepped out for you on the postcard. Along with the stamp set every month, when you subscribe to Stamp of the Month, you will get a really cute postcard that has a card, actually 5 different cards photographed on there, and 1 card stepped out. And this is the stepped out card for this month. So again, we've used that hello to create our own background and then followed it up with that darling sentiment. Let me show you an actual set of cards that one of our designers made, and it's so fun, and you'll see how simple it is. We've got love repeated with the different color blocking, and then your face to complete that sentiment. How cute is this whole set? It would be so fun for a gift. And then you've got, oh, hey, hello. Same idea, all stacked up. And then thanks, 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 a million. Perfect. So how easy are those, and how fun would it be to create a whole stack? Maybe even, you know, half a dozen or 10 cards. Pop them in a little gift bag, and you've got such a sweet gift. Love that. Okay, let's do a couple birthday ones. I love this birthday one. Now, we've used the birthday sentiment from this set, but guess what? We've kind of brought in one of our little die cut words. And it is, believe it or not, from the Bunny Trio die set. We've got the words Happy Easter here. So how clever, just to go through your word dies, see what you can mix and match. I know you guys will come up with amazing combinations. So we've just used the happy, so that's a die cut, and then the stamped birthday. So fun. Similar technique to the first card I showed you with the stencil. Stencils have been so popular lately that I just love bringing them in on some of our card projects. Just lightly sponge the little fun dots back there. It looks like that balloon is taking flight. The balloon is also a die from Fun Stamper's Journey. I believe that die set is called Uplift. Okay, so here's a couple more birthday cards. We've got happy and then birthday. This is a fun treatment where we've actually kind of fussy cut around the word birthday and popped it up a little bit. See that it's popped up on foam dots. And then one of those cute little borders below. So awesome. Love that. And here's a birthday that really went to town with so many fun stamps. And then we've also used one of our little brush stroke stamps for behind each word to kind of really make those colors pop. And then, of course, the classic, oops, I missed your birthday. Happens. Sometimes it happens. Okay, we've also got this sorry sentiment, which I think is very sweet. And it can be funny, as in the sorry, I made it weird. I'm going to show you that card in a second. But also is classic for just some, really pretty cards when someone's had a loss in their life or they're going through some struggles. I love this one, sorry for your loss. So pretty with the little stamped florals. Same with this one, sorry for your loss. Some little die cut flowers. So sweet, simple. You can see that this stamp set is going to give you so much mileage. All right, I'm going to finish off with one more set of cards that I just created recently. I kind of got the bug after the initial set of cards. I thought, oh, I've got to make some more. They're just too fun. So I stacked actually 3 of the sentiments on top of each other. I thought that was kind of a fun little extra way to use the set too. So I've got this one, oh, hey, hello, you've been on my mind. So fun. And I've got the little baby envelope there. And if you are curious, the little hearts came from this die set. So they just kind of pop in the envelope and, of course, start floating away. And then here's that silly one I spoke about a minute ago. Sorry, I made it weird. Just one of our little shark attack stamps popped on there, colored with colored pencil. And again, this is almost like could be a little set too, just very simple. And this one I absolutely adore. Totally miss your face. How fun to send that to a friend, right? So another idea for just creating quick sets of cards. I am not kidding. The sentiment stacks is going to be so much fun to add to your stash, to add to your collection. You will use it time and time again. I just know it. So again, this is the March stamp of the month. I know you guys will have a great time with it. It starts shipping out March 1st. If you do not already subscribe to Stamp of the Month, definitely go to spellbinderspaperarts.com and then just click on the clubs tab and you'll see all the different clubs we have. There's 6 different clubs and Stamp of the Month is just one of them. Enjoy, and enjoy, as always, bringing paper to life.